oh my God. Saw you on the highway, you was going my way. Little tiny black car, couldn't follow you far. Thought about the Corvette, loving you, oh my God. Oh my God. Saw you on the highway, you was going my way. Little tiny black car, couldn't follow you far. Thought about the Corvette, loving you,
Okay, this isn't one of our traditional videos. Yeah, you can see our excavation, but this is Saturday morning, early, and I have to tell you that I have the greatest crew. These guys, they work so hard. If you take a look and see how high Derek lifts that mud to get it out of the trench. If Derek's 6 feet tall and the shovel's 5 feet long, that's 11 feet. So Paul, what is it you like to do?
This is Paul with apple drains, and this is what I like to do. Dig holes.
And this is Eddie, my foreman.
So Eddie, what do you like to do?
What I like to do?
Yeah.
Dig the holes and get through with it.
What do you like to do, Derek?
Get the job done and get paid.
Well, that's my crew. Hope you enjoyed our video. Let's take a look at what these guys were digging through. And you can see here, this is the footer, the excavation of the trench, and of course the rain and the mud. We'll just walk through the trench here real quick. It's about 60 feet long, makes a couple turns. But we're down below the footer, and on Monday we'll install the gravel perforated pipe and go ahead and seal this wall, and then we'll go ahead and backfill, and that'll be it. This is Chuck with Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, we get a little muddy too. Now I just need to find my way out of the trench.